grab your favorite curly fries and go ahead and bake them as directed. Our curly fries are almost done, and while they're finishing up, we're gonna add about a half a cup of mayo right here into our bowl. Along with that, we're gonna take some spicy brown mustard, and we're gonna add about, I would say, 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Now here I have some diced up dill pickle, about 5 tablespoons, and I also put about 2 tablespoons of that pickle juice in there as well. And then I'm gonna throw in about 5 stalks of diced up celery. I have a little bit of dill weed. I'm gonna sprinkle that in. Now, if I had fresh dill, I would use that instead, but could you believe it? I went to like 3 grocery stores and I couldn't find any fresh dill. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of smoked paprika. This is gonna bring all those flavors together, you guys. This is gonna be amazing. Once you have all those ingredients in there, you're just gonna wanna take your spatula and mix all of that together. Oh, look at that freshness, that delicious flavor, you guys. Talk about an ultimate twist on a potato salad. That is what we're going for here, and it is going to blow your mind. I have these delicious curly fries here, and yes, you know exactly what we're gonna do with those. We are pouring them right into this potato salad sauce that we just made. Oh, these are gonna be super, super good. We wanna stir all of that up, just coating those fries. Oh, this crispy creaminess of the potato in the fries is just gonna be amazing. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Now, of course, if you wanted to add any bacon or any meat, let me know. Would you add anything else in the comments? This is so good though. I love just this little kind of vegetarian style. And even if you wanted to get vegan mayo, you can make this into a total vegan dish right here. Okay, we're gonna grab this. We're gonna put it all the way over into this bowl. Plop that right on in there. Oh, I see that celery. Oh, that looks fantastic and creamy and delicious. I cannot wait to try this. We are almost done, but first we're gonna add some fresh chives. This is gonna bring such good flavor and some beautiful green color into this dish. So I am just gonna grab a hold of it like so and take my kitchen shears and just trim some of this off. Do you guys like this idea? You know, as I get older, I realize how many different types of twists there are on potato salad. And I am German, so a big part of my heritage is German. And I know typically German potato salad is served warm. And this with the fries coming right out. Now you could serve this warm or cold, but it's gonna be a little bit more on the warmer side, having those fries just come out of the oven. And I love that idea. And I also wanna know, what is your favorite type of potato salad? What is your favorite? Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that smoked paprika right on top because this flavor just brings it all together. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, I am so excited about this. This looks amazing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna grab a big whopping spoonful. Look at that. Come in here and check those fries out with all of that delicious, good potato salad sauce. This is, my mouth is watering. I mean, what kind of curly fries are you gonna use? I went with Arby's curly fries because those are the best, I think, but oh, look at that. Wow. Off the wall. You've got the crunch from the celery, the freshness, the warmness of the fries. These are a home run. I give this recipe a 10 out of 10. Back around again. I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And are you gonna bring this to your picnic this summer? Let me know all about it. See you guys later.